Oh, that one, I know.
Huh?
I need that one.
See,
This
you
one?
need that. What about mine? The one that I cooked.
Okay, I will try.
You
Why?
have to take the pumpkin, otherwise it's
Yeah.
too bland and we don't eat together.
Ah, okay, okay.
Dessert.
Yeah, I've never had this before.
Yeah.
It's pumpkin and coconut milk.
I had the time of my life.
Feliz, you did not answer how to say mahal kita in Greek.
Siagapaw.
Sergapao.
Siagapaw.
Sergapao.
Siagapaw.
Sergapao.
Sagaw.
What does that mean?
I love you.
I love you in Greek.
Sergapao.
Sergapao.
Why? What is it in Thai?
So, she ordered
Why?
What have to say again?
Se
Say.
agapaw.
Sergapao.
Sagaw.
Why?
One more time. Say.
Se agapaw.
Say ahapao.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
For you.
Why? Why?
Why?
Why are you laughing?
you laugh? This fun.
Say ahapao.
Oh.
Agapao.
Agapao.
Why? Why?
Say ahapao.
Say agapao.
I said
I see through.
yeah, you should know this. It'll be useful.
No, I know.
Say arapao.
Agapao.
Agapao. In Korean, oh my god, saranghe. Saranghe.
See, you can't remember now. What's happened, Gracie?
Yes, what's happened? You laugh.
Saranghe.
What's happened, Gracie?
Because she changed now.
Now I changed on.
See?
Jetam. Jetam.
Yeah, lah. Now she knows.
Yeah.
มูนจันทร์เขาต้องได้เฮ็ดของกินเนี่ย